Alright, we're going to remove this radio. We've already taken off the shift knob. Right here, it just unscrews off. Everything just comes up and off. And it says the next step is we got to take these panels off here. Take this one off, first one. Take this one off, second one. Essentially, this whole bad boy has to come out. And that probably means that we're going to have to
the teachers, the busy professionals who understand that living is learning, and you don't have to put your life on hold to get
this particular system has
top-ranked programs help you succeed by taking IU courses taught by
2 screws here. Gross. Alright. Looks like we're gonna have to probably, again, we're gonna have to move this shifter knob.
Sunny with a few clouds on Monument Circle right now. I'm Kurt Darling on the level on the go on Twitter and 993 WIDC and WIDC.com.
This is hard because she has heated seats in here. Trying to keep from damaging them.
The Ding Show.
Honestly, this is it. This is it. I just love listening to your show. It makes me feel so informed. That's what I'm talking about.
If it's going on in the news, data is on it.
Freedom is bare bones, straight no chaser, limited.
2 plugs back here. Well, I just dropped all of our stuff out. There's 2 plugs right there. Gotta remove those. Gotta put all of our stuff back in now.
The big news of the day.
Here is the...
But not much else.
Let me show you guys. There's the 2 plugs right there. White one and a black one. We're gonna put the shifter back. Okay. This has heated seats on it, which makes it a little bit more difficult to do because they are pretty much stationary in
I
there.
was really struck by how people said that to me. You know, mostly people
Need to come out.
young people works for me go back and do a bit of research.
Use a plastic
They never
tool.
said that to any man who was not elected. Oh, they did.
Kind of take this piece out here. There we go. Use a plastic tool. Take that out. Appears to be 1 plug back here, which is for the hazard switch. And flip that out. Try not to hit the windshield like I did. Takes this whole piece out. There's your plug. It appears to be, there's 2 10mm back there. I'm guessing that there's probably more down here as well. Okay, so we're gonna have to take, most Toyotas use 10mm, so there's way back here in the back. Kind of show you guys. There's the bolt where it came out of. And there's the other one where it's at. Okay. Take the second one out. Put it in here. And it says supposedly this whole thing will come out. I don't believe that, but yeah, it's not coming out. Yep. Yep, they're way up in here. There's one. There's 1 10mm. And there's another one. Right up in here. Alright. This should be it, and this should come out. There we go. There we go. And there's your radio removed. Stay tuned, we're going to do the next part of putting the new radio in. Here's what it looks like with the radio removed and all the plugs. I know this looks like a mess because we're not finished with it yet, but we're wiring up the steering wheel interface. Basically, you got your ignition, your ground. You have to ground pin 6, pin 7 goes to green orange, pin 8 goes to black with green. This is for the access interface piece, and then I'll clean this all up, and then we're also going to run a USB extension as well. Alright, everything is working, serial interface, everything is wired in correctly on this 09 Toyota Camry, and we even put a USB flush mount drive for the XAV100 Sony. Now we're going to go ahead and install it in, put it in, show you what it looks like with it being installed. Alright, we've installed the Sony unit in, put the top piece back up. We still got to put all these harnesses and everything back together. I wanted to kind of show you what it looks like. Over here, steering wheel controls. Steering wheel controls and everything works.
No Scotties ain't got no back, got no gas.
Yep, everything's working. Mode. Well, audio off, maybe? So I guess it'll only do the volume and track select and all that. Alright, I'll show you the rest of the video. 2 Phillips here. Okay. And you gotta be careful because these heated seat pads are on here. I'm a fan of the way they put these in here. Oh. They're making it really difficult to put this back on. Somebody also installed a 120 volt inverter in here too. Alright, finished product. Everything is all back in, plastic pieces snap back in, shifter knob, center console, USB flush mount drive, steering wheel controls and everything. Everything's working. 2009 Toyota Camry.